Hi, kindergartners. Are you ready to learn a new letter? This week, we are going to study the letter B. And the letter B makes the sound B, B. And it's one of those letters you have to cut off with the scissors. You don't want to say B because that's B-U, B-Uh. We want just B, B. Cut it off with scissors. Let's try it. Ready? To make that sound B, you put your lips together. Almost remember how I made my lips disappear? You can try that. Ready? And then you push out the sound B, B. Try it. B. Wonderful. Let's practice writing the letter B. I already made my house. To do the uppercase B, we use the top floor and the main floor. We start at the top and we do a line down. Then we take our writing tool up and we start at that tippy top again and we do a scoop around upstairs and a scoop around downstairs. And that is the uppercase B. To make the lowercase b, we do the same motion at first, start at the top and come down to the bottom. But then we come up on the same line and scoop around downstairs. A lot of people mix up the letter B with what letter? The letter D. When we make the letter D, I'm going to do it up here just to get it away from the B. When we make the letter D, we do the scoop around first, make the C, and then come up and down. We do the scoop first, we do the drum first, and then the drumstick. Drum, drumstick. But when we do the B, we do the bat and then the ball. That's how you can remember. Bat first and then the ball. That is our lowercase b. I have something to show you. I brought a container of balls. These are balls, all different sizes, little teeny bouncy balls and medium bouncy balls. I have a couple of big ones down there too. Not too big, but it's a container filled with balls. And if you look, take a look, you can guess how many balls are in the container. You can put that number that you guess on the chart that's on your agenda. And I would like you to also think of words that begin with the letter B. I have a project. Now this is my project from last year, so I'm going to just tell you how to make it. You were given a piece of red paper, a piece of brown paper, a piece of blue paper, and a piece of chalk. Oh, and a little tiny beak. I gave you the beak. What you're going to do is you're going to cut the brown paper to make it look like a branch. Now, the way I did it, I made it like a big rectangle, but I put little things at the end. You know how branches kind of branch off like that? So I put little things that branch off from the main piece of paper. You can make it look however you want. To make my bird, the bird on the branch, I took my hand and traced it on the red paper. And it looks a little bit like our cardinal, like our mascot for Washington School, the cardinal. So basically, you're tracing your hand to make the bird. You're going to glue it on the branch, and then you can add a black eye and the bird's beak. And then you can take the chalk and you can draw a snowy scene. I drew some snowflakes and I drew some snow because when it snows, the snow sometimes stays on the branch. So I put some snow on the branch. I probably should have put some back here too. And I put some snow in the sky. You're going to do your own bird on a branch. Have fun, and I'll see you later.